welcome to Westgate Chevrolet. Today we're taking a quick look at some of the interior and exterior features on our 2014 Nissan Titan. This vehicle is featured in a deep blue metallic paint with with gunmetal gray alloy rims. We have our rear privacy tint, running boards, hard tonneau cover, four-wheel drive, sunroof, navigation, backup camera, and heated seats. Now moving on to the interior of the Titan. On our door panel we can see our window and mirror controls. Below that we have our door handle, as well as our memory seat options, speaker, and storage. Side of the seat is power adjustable seats with lumbar support, just tucked down here. And we have our pedal adjustment and vehicle controls, cargo lamp, gauge cluster, multi-function leather-wrapped steering wheel. You can see our key in there. We also have a little remote start fob on there. Four-wheel drive controls, infotainment screen with CD player, SD card slot, navigation, and backup camera. Below that we have our climate controls, storage, vehicle controls, and heated seat options for both front passengers. Our gear selection stock with two cup holders beside. And we have our center storage area, as well as a little phone holder up top. Both the front seats also have fold-down leather armrests. And they're featured in black leather. You can see our PRO-4X badging in the upper portion of the back area. And again, they're heated seats. On the rearview mirror, we have three garage door openers, little direction display there, and then reading lights overhead, as well as the controls for our sunroof. Back onto the exterior, we can see our gunmetal gray alloy Nissan rims, the Titan badging in chrome, our running boards, then rear privacy tint. Down to the back we can see our hard tonneau cover, as well as our side storage. Then we have our hitch, PRO-4X badging, as well as our Nissan badge and hard tonneau cover once again. Now on to the rear interior, we can see our black leather door panel, as well as our window switch. We have our speaker tweeters, speaker, and storage. Back of the front seats we have our leather magazine holders. And back of the center console area, we have our charging outlets and fold-down two cup holders. Then our back seats are featured in a 60/40 arrangement with a fold-down center seat featuring two cup holders inside. Thank you for joining me for this video walk around of our 2014 Nissan Titan. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel for more daily videos, and we hope to see you in at Westgate Chevrolet sometime very soon.